Our workout today is all about power. It's Power Fit Yoga. Are you ready? Let's do it. Let's just warm up our bodies. Reach it. Now both hands up. Make sure we're using our legs. Warming up our body. Always good to start out with a warm-up. I don't care if you're stretching. Gotta warm up those muscles, those joints. Now breathe in, breathe out, squat it down. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, and hold it down. Good, bring the hands right on the hips and hold it here just for a few seconds. Now lean to the side and switch, and switch, and switch. Bring it back to the middle, superstar, and neck roll. And neck roll other direction. Good, twisting star. Folding star, bring both hands out and touch those awesome toes. Inhale, bring it all the way up. Hop into mountain. Let's get to the Power Fit Yoga workout. First, we're going to be doing down dog burpees. That's a good one. They're all good to me. They're all good. So let's come to our yoga mat or on the floor. Inhale, breathe in. Exhale, fold forward. Bring it down. And hold here. Let's just kind of hang here. Shake your head yes. Shake your head no. Good. Let's bring one foot back. Other foot back. Down dog. Ready? Let's get that burpee. Bring it up. Down dog. Burpee. Boom. Down dog. Ah, high five. The next one we're going to do is called dolphin plank. Dolphin plank. So we're in the down dog position. So let's come into down dog. And you're going to come onto your elbows. Down onto the forearm. And we're down dog, but it's dolphin now. And keep the hips high. Now let's come down into a plank. Dolphin. Breathe. Plank. Dolphin. Plank. Last one, dolphin. Hold it, breathe. And plank. Excellent. Bring it on down. And let's just rest here and breathe just for a few seconds. All right. Are you ready? Let's come on to our bottom for our boat and bicycle. Boat and bicycle. Oh, that sounds fun. Here we go. Boat, bicycle. So you're going to sit tall. Bring one hand behind you, the other hand behind you. Chest lifted. Brilliant. One hand up, other hand up. One leg up, other leg up. We are boats. And we are rocking. Rocking in the water. Hold it. That's it. Now we ready? Arms behind the head. Bicycle time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Whoo! Boat. Bring it on down. Rest it. Oh, that was a good one. That's a nice, challenging one. All of them are. That's just one of my favorites. Are we ready? Okay, lean back. Strong arms, strong legs. Chest up. Now let's lean back this time. Lift up one leg. Lift up the other. Arm out, arm out. You can bring your arm any way you want. You can turn it any angle, straight up, And hold, rocking that boat. Hold it. Let's get ready. Ride the bike. 1, 2, power fit, yoga. Freeze. Freeze. Bring it in, challenge, bring it all the way up. Hold it. Excellent. Now bring it right in the front. Let's get a nice twist before we go on. Twist. Walk those fingers out. Stretch. And reach it all the way up. Our next move is called a table slide. Table slide. Ready? Table pose. Bring the hips all the way up. And now, slide. Table. Slide. Just lift it. Oh, this is so good for your arms. Table. Lift the chest. Make sure you're looking right at the ceiling. Hips, tummy towards the sky. Rocking it. Bring the leg back out. Lift. Bring it back in. Hold it. Last one. Best one. Lift it up. And bring it back in. Strong table. That was awesome. Now let's get those hands kind of, because you know we did a lot with our wrist. So let's kind of give them a rest. So let's come onto our knees for the camel pose. Now you can keep the foot pointed out or you can curl the toes under. So you curl the toes under, that brings the heels of your feet closer and that makes it easier. And if you want a challenge, you can bring your toes out and they're flat. And let's reach and breathe. And let's bring it all the way up. Bring it out right here. And let's pull it. It's a challenge. And back. Excellent. Let's melt into our mats for our cool down. Excellent job. This is where you get an awesome opportunity to notice what you're thinking about. Breathing calmly. You can have your hands on your tummy and one on the chest, or you can have hands out to the side. Find what's comfortable for you. You can also have your knees bent if it's too much on your back. I've seen a couple of scholars in my yoga classroom cross their feet like this. They call it the sleeping butterfly. They say, the sleeping butterfly, Miss Goss. And breathe. Excellent job. Excellent job. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, bring the knees to the chest, and come on up in an easy sitting pose. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay amazing. Have a playful and grateful day. Bye.